Hello children, today I am going to start the new history lesson, that is Kodagu, Kitturu, Tulunadu and Hyderabad Karnataka. That regions we are learning in this lesson children. Kodagu will take first. About Kodagu we learn. Kodagu, it is a very beautiful place children. It lies in the Western Ghats. Western Ghats is there, no? There Kodagu will find. And Kodagu is very beautiful place. It is rich in forests. It is also there. It is called Kashmir of South India. Such a beautiful place it is. Then in the Kodagu region, Kodava and Arabesi language are spoken. Kodava and Arabesi language. Kodagu, it is unique in many things. First, it is very beautiful place. It is in the Western Ghats. Then Kodagu language is different. Kodava and Arabesi, it is in Karnataka. Their dishes are different. So, way of celebration of festivals is also different. Very unique it is, Kodagu. Moreover, it is a birthplace of river Kaveri. River Kaveri's birthplace is Talakadu. This Talakadu is in the Kodagu. It is a Hindu's religious festival, Talakadu. People are worshipping there. It is a birthplace of river Kaveri. And river Kaveri is the lifeline of Karnataka. Lifeline of Karnataka. Why? Means it is providing irrigation facility as well as the drinking water facility for the Karnataka people. South India, Mandya, Mysore, they are completely depending on the river Kaveri origin. So it is called lifeline of Karnataka. Follow? Then I said the Kodagu is rich in forest resources. So Nagarhole National Park is in Kodagu. Nagarhole National Park. It is in Kodagu. Understood children? Now we will coming to the history of the Kodagu. Who ruled that one? That one we learn children. Halari dynasty. Here I wrote Halari dynasty is. That is the most important dynasty. They ruled for a long time. So Halari dynasty is the important dynasty in the Kodagu history. In Halari dynasty, Veera Raja is a famous king. He built one capital city. For capital city, he kept the name as a Muddu Raja Keri. That capital city name is Muddu Raja Keri he kept. Afterwards, it became as a Madikeri. What we are calling today, no, Madikeri. In early time, it is called as a Muddu Raja Keri. Muddu Raja Keri. Keri means city. That one built by the King Veera Raja. He is from the Halari dynasty. Yes. Then this Kodagu is ruled by many other people also children. Kodagu first it is ruled by the Halari dynasty. Afterwards, Hyder Ali invaded it. Hyder Ali. After Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan started ruling it. When British defeated the Tipu Sultan, so Kodagu went under the control of British. British started ruling that one. Then it is ruled by the many other people also. British, Tipu Sultan, all that one ruled this one. In the Kodagu history children, there is the revolt of Amar Sulya farmers. That is the most important revolt, remarkable in the history. That one, Sulya one village it is. In that, farmers revolted against the British because of heavy burden. That one we will learn now. Take this point children. Yes. Peasants means farmer children. They felt it is very heavy burden for the farmers to pay the tax. That time British were there. They are taking very heavy tax from the farmers. Even though crops failed, they are forcing the farmers to pay the tax. Where they will pay children? How they will pay? It is burden for them. So they revolted against the British that they are not able to pay the tax. That revolt, it is broke out in the year 1837. Amar Sulya revolt it is called. Peasants started this one against the British. because the farmers are unable to pay the tax. And this revolt started in many villages. First it is started from Sulya village and very strong in that, so they kept the name Sulya only. Sulya, Putturu, Kasargodu and Mangaluru. In these places, this Amasulya revolt started. Farmers started revolt against the British, and it is for 13 days children. Very strong revolt it was. Many farmers participated in that, but British were successful in suppressing this revolt. They suppressed this one. They captured the many leaders, many farmers, and they hanged them. So this revolt was suppressed. Famous leaders for the Amasulya revolt are Putta Basappa, Kalyana Swami and Gudimani Kempaya Gowda. These are the main leaders for the Amasulya revolt. This Appaya Gudimani statue is there in Madikeri children. How Kitturu and Chennamma circle statue is there, no? On the horse Chennamma is there. Same way, this Kempaya Gowda, Gudimani Kempaya Gowda, Appaya Kempaya Gowda, his statue is there in Madikeri. Followed? Yes, this is about the Amasulya revolt children. British were torturing the farmers, so they revolted against them. Kodagu is not less in the freedom struggle. Many people participated, they taken part in the freedom struggle. Many are there. Even after independence also, Kodagu is, it remained as a separate state. When in the year 1956, Karnataka integration took place, Karnataka formed, that time this Kodagu included in Karnataka. Otherwise, soon after independence, it remained as the separate state. Then, two outstanding sons, we can say, they are from Kodagu. K.M. Karyappa and K.S. Timmaya. These are the two important persons from the Kodagu. What they are? See children, this K.M. Karyappa is the first Indian general in Indian Army. Only British were there. He became the first general. General means army head of the Indian Army. K.M. Karyappa. He is the most important person from the Kodagu children. And Karyappa, he was not only the chief of the Indian Army, he became the chief of the Air Force after independent India also. Then he taken the highest rank of Field Marshal. It is the highest rank. They are living in the Air Force children. That one K.M. Karyappa taken. He got that designation. He got Field Marshal. Yes, another important one, General Kandarya Subbaya Timmaya. K.S. Timmaya he got. He is also military man only children. He brought the victory for nation in the war between India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan war was there. India was about to defeat. As this Timmaya encouraged the Indian army, Indian soldiers, because of his inspiration, India got the victory. So he is a famous one. Yes, this is about the two important persons from the Kodagu. Kodagu, it is well known for the sports, adventures, local and scenic beauty. Scenic beauty means it is very good children, very famous tourist place. Many things you can see there. Nisargadama is there, Kaveri Nisargadama is there, forest is there, many wildlife sanctuaries is there, Nagarapade National Park is there. So, very beautiful place it is. So, very little we learn about Kodagu children. Already dynasty explained, and two important persons from the Kodagu. Now, this is about the Kodagu children. Next one is Kitturu is there. That one I will take in the next class. For today's class, I will give the homework. Yes, homework children. Where is Nagarapade National Park? Name the birthplace of river Kaveri. Who built Madikeri? Write a short note on Amasulya revolt. Name two outstanding sons of Kodagu. Next, what for Kodagu known? What for it is famous. That one you have to write. I will show the pictures from your textbook, children. Appaya Gudimani's statue is there. Yes. This is Talakaveri, children. Talakaveri worshipable place it is. Here temple is there. Next comes Madikeri. Madikeri fort it is, children. Entrance of Madikeri it is. Fort. Madikeri. Then Gudimani Appaya Gowda. His statue it is in Madikeri. Two outstanding sons of Kodagu. This one K.M. Kariyappa, Field Marshal. He got the rank, that one. Then General K.S. Timmaya. He. Yes. Kitturu I will take in the next class, children. Thank you.